Here it is given from a set theory. In a class of 30 students, 18 are fluent in Spanish, 10 are fluent in French, and 5 are not fluent in either of these languages. The following Venn diagram shows the events fluent in Spanish and fluent in French. So fluent in Spanish, let me change my pen color so that you can understand it properly. So fluent in Spanish is this particular circle, and fluent in French is this particular circle. And N are the number of students who know Spanish as well as French. And Q here in the Venn diagram are those students who don't know French as well as Spanish. So from here you can see that is 5 are not fluent in either of these languages. So obviously we can say Q to be 5. Q to be 5 as 5 are not fluent in either of these languages. So Q equals to 5. So the first question is done. Write the value of Q. So the value of Q is 5. It is directly from the question. From here you can see 5 are not fluent in either of these languages. So Q equals to 5. Now find the value of N. Obviously, from how we will calculate the value of N, it is very simple. If we add these two circles, see here, if we add these two circles, the value is 18 are fluent in Spanish, 18 are fluent in Spanish, then 10 are fluent in French. So the two circle indicates 18 plus 10 equals to 28. The two circle indicate 28. So but here N will be twice, because if we add two circle, this is the M circle and this is the P circle, and this middle value is N. So basically M plus P plus 2N equals to 28, because for this two circle, for this circle this is M plus N, for this circle this is P plus N. So basically N is twice. Now as we have total 30 students, so total students 30, so M plus N plus P plus Q equals to 30. So from here we can get M plus N plus P equals to 25. So obviously if these are two equations, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So from here we are getting N to be equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So from here we are getting equation number 1, it is a value is 28 minus 25 equals to 3. So the value of N is 3. Here find the value of N, it is 3. The Q value is 5. Now we have to find out the value of M and P. For M circle, as you can see, the complete M circle, and here it is N circle. This is M circle, this is N circle, and this is N. And the value of M, that is fluent in Spanish, is 18. So M equals to 18 minus the common area, and the value of N is 3. So M equals to 15. This is one answer. And from here we are getting another answer to be P. So P equals to, that is 10 are fluent in French, so 10 minus the common, so these are the only, and here 7, so P equals to 7. This is also only, or we can say only Spanish, only French. So this is done. So value of M is 15 and P is 7. So this is done.